Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Yeah. So we are here today to talk about engineering, about the recent technologies in the industry, and today we'll be looking at the cable industry, and we will be focusing more in our today's video on the distributors. And the topic we'll be handling today is why, as a distributor, you need to upscale to become a manufacturer. And today it's really going to be a great moment because we have today in our midst the VP of Shine World Group, the person of Madam Apple. Madam Apple, can you say hello to?
Hello everyone.
All right.
Thank you. Happy to be here and welcome to Shine World.
Thank you, ma. Then we also have the Nigerian team here of Shine World Group. So welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about why, as a distributor, you need to upscale to become a manufacturer. The first question I'll be asking is, Mr. Stanley, I want you to tell us what are the advantages that the distributors have already that will help them, that once they make this link to become a manufacturer, it will be very easy for them.
Okay, thank you very much for the question. So distributors possesses so much insights and strategies that give them that opportunity to have an edge when they want to start manufacturing.
Okay.
So I'll start by saying that number one, they have deep market knowledge. So being that they are already in the market, so they know what the consumers want already.
Okay.
So because they are the contacts with the consumers day in, day out. So they talk with the consumers almost every time. So they know what the consumers want. Then secondly, they know what products moves faster in the market. So that is also an advantage. Then thirdly, they know the price of the products already. So this now gives them that edge over a fresher that's not into the market already. Then also they have that advantage of being able to use the profit margin of the manufacturer. Like in the distributor now, there are what they call a vendor's premium. So they have that opportunity of using that as an advantage to their own. By the time they start manufacturing their products, they can use that vendor's premium, that's the profit margin, for themselves, thereby being able to give the best price for their products. In the market, with your quality and having a good price, you'll be able to penetrate the market.
Okay.
Yes. Then also they have that sales channel already. They already have a planned way of which they market their products. So that is not going to be an issue for them in the market. They have the logistics, they have their sales plan, then they have their loyal customers. So with that, those parts is not going to be like something they have to build already. They already have that base. It's just for them to put in their products in the market and meet their usual customers, and from there they can start selling their products. I also want to give a case study of customers I've met in the market. Oftentimes, already when you want to start telling them about production, manufacturing, they always have that confidence. One of the customers I've met in the market told me that, see, Stanley, I don't have issue with selling my products. My brand is already known in the market. That brand name, they already know me. And most of the time, anything I put to the market sells very fast. So if I'm able to start up this factory, I don't think marketing is going to be an issue for me.
Okay.
So with that confidence, they've already have they've have the 50% edge over a fresher that is just starting cable factory without even knowing what the market is all about. So that is what I want to tell them, that they have so many advantages, even more. But I've just shared some important ones that they have. So thank you very much.
Wow, thank you very much for that great contribution.